Hello and welcome to Learning Beats. We've come up with a series of conversations to practice communication, which includes the art of listening and talking. First one is grocery shopping. So here goes.
Hey all! Let's go for grocery shopping today with me.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I am looking for orange juice, a loaf of bread, a box of cereal and a milk packet.
Sure. Any specific brand of orange juice?
Yes. Do you have naturals?
Yes. We do have. And how much milk would you like?
1 liter milk.
Okay. Do you want anything else?
Can you add a pack of unsalted peanuts and a dozen eggs, please?
So sorry, we are out of unsalted peanuts at the moment. Anything else?
Yes. A kg of apples.
Sure.
Okay, thanks.
Here you are. Will that be all?
Yes. That's all. How much do I need to pay?
1000 rupees per only. Cash or card?
I will pay cash. Here you are.
Thanks. Here is your bill and change.
Thanks. Could you please give me a shopping bag?
Yes, of course. You have to give 5 rupees for the bag.
Sure. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Do visit us again.